afternoon, Dan's Restaurant, and this is Giselle speaking. How may I help you today?
Can I have my reservation, please?
Yeah, sure, sir. May I have your name, please?
My name is Nash.
May I know when you would like to do your reservation?
On October 18.
Okay, sir. And what time would you like your reservation, sir?
Exactly at 7 p.m.
Okay, sir. Will the reservation be under your name, sir?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Would you please fill out the name for me, sir?
Nash, N-A-S-H, Aguas, A-G-U-A-S.
Okay, sir. I would like to repeat the spelling. Please correct me if I'm wrong, sir. Nash for November, Alpha, Sierra, Hotel, Alpha, Golf, Uniform, Alpha, Sierra. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that is correct.
Please allow me to put you on hold, sir, while check the availability of your listed date and time, sir.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, Sir Ray. This is Giselle speaking. Can you please check me if this date, November 10, is available to reservation? Okay, sir. Thank you. I apologize for keeping you waiting, Sir Aguas, but I'm happy to inform you that the date and time you requested is available.
Okay, thank you.
Where would you prefer to send to a smoking or non-smoking area, sir?
I would like to refer to a non-smoking area, please.
Yes, sir. We have only one available table at the non-smoking area. Would you like me to reserve the table for you, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. May I have your cell phone number, sir?
At 091010-89266.
Okay, sir. May I know I wanna like to repeat the cell phone number, sir. Sir, 910-10-89266. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that is correct.
May I ask if there is any special event celebrated in your reservation, sir?
Yes, my wife, our wedding anniversary.
Okay, sir. Is there any special arrangement you would like me to prepare?
Yes, can you please prepare for our table a roses and also a candle and red cake and also a wine.
Okay, sir. I would like to repeat your reservation, sir. October 18, 7 p.m. in the evening. However, sir, this is the advice you that you will able to be giving your 30 minutes holding time for the expected time of arrival. If there would be a further delay, please notify in advance to hold your reservation, sir.
Okay.
Certainly, sir, please be notified that wearing slippers and non-proper attire is prohibited.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for informing me.
Thank you, sir, Aguas, for having reservation here at October 10, 7 p.m. We hope to see you and book your next reservation here.